Hi everyone, my name is Vyabhinaya and my trainer name is Surendra sir. Today we are going to discuss about wrapper classes. Wrapper classes provide mechanism to convert primitive data types to object and object to primitive data types. So this wrapper class present in a Java package. Okay. See, we have some keyword like byte, int, float, short, and so many keywords are present in Java. So for every keyword, for each keyword we have one wrapper class. See, for byte capital B, for integer we write integer, and for float we write capital F float and short capital S, and many we have double like this. For every keyword, we have wrapper class. And in wrapper class, we have three types. That is boxing, unboxing, and auto boxing. Boxing. The converting primitive data types to corresponding wrapper class is called boxing. Converting primitive data types to corresponding wrapper classes is called boxing. And coming to unboxing, unboxing is same reverse to boxing, converting corresponding wrapper class object to primitive data type. And coming to auto boxing, converting primitive data type corresponding wrapper class object implicitly by compiler is called on auto boxing. See, first wrapper class provide mechanism to convert primitive data type to objects and objects to primitive data type. In that wrapper class we have boxing, unboxing, auto. Boxing is used for converting primitive data type to corresponding wrapper class objects, and coming to unboxing, converting corresponding wrapper class objects to primitive data types. And coming to auto boxing, converting primitive data types corresponding wrapper class objects implicitly by compiler. This is about wrapper classes. Thank you.